What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennium Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to do another portfolio update. If you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button. Also, join the family, subscribe to the channel. We post here at least once per week, and we talk about dividends, we talk about dividend stocks, and we talk about the dividend portfolio. So if that's something that interests you, please make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. And soon we will be posting a lot more on this channel, so stay tuned for that. But let's hop into the portfolio right here. So it's currently sitting at $38,389.01. We were up about $500 on Friday. Year to date, we are currently up about 1.36%, about $515 or so. We have about $371 in buying power. And let's just get right into the portfolio update. So we have a Tesla cash secured put here that I did get $59 from this week. So I kind of rolled it over into next week already. So I sold a couple of them on Tesla. But for this one, it expires on January 27th, which is next Friday. We are up $42 on it. My average cost was $60. My average credit was $60, rather. So I got $60 from this rollover. And I did have to pay $1 to get rid of my other one in order to get $60 for this one. So pretty good, pretty decent passive income week for my cash secured put. And let's see. So as you can see here, I rolled it over and I got a credit of $58 rather. So I had to pay $2 towards my other one. So we have that one. We're going to definitely focus on this cash secured put, see how it does, and if we have to doctor it, we will doctor it. So remember, if you guys watched my last video, I did put $10,000 in to sell covered calls on Tesla and make some sell covered cash secured puts on Tesla to make some extra income. And if I get assigned the shares of Tesla, then I will reverse that and sell some covered calls. So for this month, we are only receiving a few dividends. I think I went over in the last video or so. So not too great for this month in terms of dividends, but we're going to see exactly how much cash flow this portfolio can give me. And at the end of the month, we're going to go through that and show you guys exactly how much it gave me. So another thing I would like to talk about is I paused my investments, my weekly investments on SCHD for now. And the reason I did this is because the market has been rallying so much. I do intend on putting more in if the market does come back and does pull back a little bit more, which I do think I think it will in the near future. So I have stopped my investment on my weekly investment on SCHD. So far I have 20.6 shares of SCHD. It's about 5.6% of my portfolio. I am up about 3% on the position. So if you guys are new here, I did put in $75 every single week into SCHD. And SCHD has been rallying. So in the beginning, I was getting a little bit more of one share every single week of SCHD. But since it started rallying, I haven't been able to actually get that one share total for putting in my $75. So I am going to wait for the price to come back below $75 before I start adding more to this position. I don't want to pay, in my opinion, for right now, for the market, the way the market's going, I don't want to pay any more than $75 per share for SCHD. So if we could get it back down to around the $67 range, that would be awesome. Like it did in October of 2022, that would be really awesome. But anything below around 73 and below, I will definitely be adding more to this position because I do want to see this grow. And I am going to be rolling over my Roth 401k, and we are going to be buying more SCHD in that. So I'm going to let you guys know exactly when I do that. Maybe I'll make a video on it to show you guys my total Roth 401k that I have now. I will be rolling it over to a Roth IRA. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will definitely make a video on that to show you exactly the process of how it goes. Maybe you guys are leaving a job and you guys need to learn how to do this. I will keep you guys updated and show you the whole process. But now let's hop over to the spreadsheet. Remember, we got this spreadsheet from Ryan Williams. If you guys don't know who he is, go check out his channel, Ryan Williams. He's a dividend investor, and I really respect him, and I appreciate his work in giving us the spreadsheet. So we have about $1,482 in annual income, which translates to about $123 monthly, $28 weekly, and about $4 daily. Our current cost base is around $30,000, and market value is about $28,000. We are down about a little over 7% on this portfolio. But let's just take a look here. So last year in dividends, we received about just over $1,000 in dividends. We're going to go see if we can beat that this year. I think we can, and I'm excited. Our projected is almost $1,500, and I'm very excited to beat last year's total. So my biggest loser right now, as you can see from here, is Intel. Intel has just been not moving in price with the rest of the market, because the rest of the market has been rallying. Intel has not been. So my biggest loser right now is Intel. I am selling covered calls on Intel every single week to try to make some of that money back. But as you can see, I have my options passive income here. We have a total of $58 this month so far in options passive income, and this is between our cash secured puts and our covered calls that we are selling. We did have to buy back an Intel covered call because it did rally earlier in the month, and that set us back for a little bit this month, but we are in the positive. We are $58, and I really can't complain. I just started selling options on this portfolio probably 6 months ago, and just looking at the progress, it's really been great. So we started in June of 2022 and received $36. Then the next month we went all the way up to $104, and then $73, $105, $151, and $102. So the average has been sitting about $80 or so, which is really awesome to see. An extra $80 a month is really awesome. And I think selling these cash secured puts on Tesla or whatever stock I do sell it on, I really think that will really upgrade and give us more passive income every single month. So I'm very excited about that. So it looks like the spreadsheet here is just having a mind of its own and kind of resetting. It's probably updating for tomorrow when the market opens. But that is going to about wrap up the video here. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure you smash that like button. If you want to know how I am selling these puts on Tesla, you can check out the video right above this right here. You can click that video and we go over how to sell cash secured puts. I really appreciate you all for watching. Please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to see, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.